Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos on tips and tricks for using our library's digital resources. And today I wanted to talk to you about a really great resource that you have access to with your Worcester Public Library card, and that's Novelist. Novelist is a really great resource for just figuring out what books or authors you might be interested in reading next. Now, if you're interested in checking it out, you can start by going to our website at mywpl.org and then going under Resources right here and then clicking on Online Databases. Now you can then click on by title alphabetically and scroll down until you see Novelist Plus. And if you're accessing it from home, you'll want to click on this house icon, and that's going to take you to a page where you can type in your library card number and your password. So now you'll see that'll take us to the home screen of Novelist once we log in. And you can see that you can take a look for recommended reading lists by various genres. You can filter by books for adults or teens or kids. Or you can just do a search. So if, for instance, I really liked The Hobbit, what I could do is I could do a search for that. And that's going to take me to where I can see, some information about the book, some of the themes, some of the appeals, the writing style, also some read-alikes, in case I really liked it. So, you can see, Ursula Le Guin, Lloyd Alexander. So that all makes sense. The other thing that you can do is if you're not interested in looking for a particular book or a particular author, you can type in keywords. So if I wanted to, for instance, read about World War II England, I could do a search for that, and I could see what books Novelist wants to talk about for World War II England. So, okay, The Light Between Worlds, that makes sense. True Story of World War II. And you can also refine the search if you're just interested in books for adults, just interested in books for teens, if you're interested in fiction as opposed to nonfiction. You can limit these searches. You can even go really far in and then, by genre, by sort of storyline, pace, tone. And then if you see one that you're interested in, you can click on that and get more information. Okay, a downed World War II plane. That sounds kind of interesting, so I might be interested in checking this one out. So again, that's Novelist. I'd really recommend that you check it out if you're interested in finding sort of a next book that you might be interested in. But another thing that you might not know about is that if you want sort of more personalized recommendations, we have a service for that too. So if you go to our website again, mywpl.org, and then scroll down and click on Ask a Librarian, you'll see that there's a little link right here for quick book recommendations. So you can fill out your name, your library card number, your email, some books that you enjoyed and what you liked about them, and then sort of the age group that you're looking for books for. And then click submit, and then you'll get an email from us with some personalized book recommendations. So if you want something with a little bit more of a human touch than Novelist, I'd recommend checking that out as well. So again, this was Alex from the Worcester Public Library. I hope that you enjoyed my weekly tips and tricks video. Hope you check out some of these resources, and happy reading. See you next week.